Hi, this is Gail, and I wanted to create this video to demonstrate how to use my BrainShark. My BrainShark is an excellent audio adding tool that allows you to put audio to your created videos if you wanted to, or to make podcasts, screenshots, or even PowerPoint. And mostly I've seen this used with PowerPoints. And that's a really nice tool because you create an overall presentation and you can add additional, it's like you're talking and having a presentation. So the tool I'm using actually is from TechSmith, and TechSmith puts out Jing, and I happen to be using Snagit. And Snagit is another tool. It's used exactly like Jing. The only difference is that you can record longer videos, and so I'm using that because it takes more than 5 minutes. Jing uses a 5-minute video. So with regards to my BrainShark, the first thing you're going to do is go to it, and the website is here. And then the next thing you're going to do is, actually I'm going to log out. And what you're going to do is, after you've accessed the site, you're going to register. And you're going to fill this information out, and you're going to click register, and then you're going to get in. And when you get in, you're going to log in. And then you're brought to this page. So what I'm going to do, you can do it from here or here, but I'm going to click here. And these are the choices that you can have. You can generate a document, you can make a photo album, you can do all these various things. And you should experiment with this to see what works for you best. I'm going to add voice to a PowerPoint, so that's already been selected, and so I'm going to upload a PowerPoint. And it'll take you to your computer. You select what you're looking for. I'm going to select here and open it. And so over here, it's uploading, and it's in the process of converting right now. You can see that here. So what I do is I like to add a little description. I'm going to say presentation for paraprofessionals working with students having a specific learning disability. And the category for me might be, well, you click on category, and for me it's going to be education. And the tag can be anything you want. It can be the name of your university or college that you're working in. It could be your course. It could be anything. Now for me, I'm just going to call it a test. And I'm going to wait, and I'm going to put us on pause until it fully loads. And when it is, it says your file has been converted, and you can click next. And now you have a choice. Now this is the video, this is the PowerPoint that I've uploaded. Now you have a choice. You can either use your microphone, or you can dial in and do that. I like to use the microphone. Or you can add it to Skype, whatever you want. So you can click here to record using your microphone, and that's what I'm doing. And a little box will come up and ask you permission. I'm going to say allows or continue, and I'm going to say allow here. Now this is where you record, and you click here or play. And these are the various slides in this presentation. And I'm not going to go through all of them, but I am going to go through a couple of them. So essentially, here I am on one slide, and I'm going to record my voice onto here. This is a countdown. Hi, this is Dr. Gail, and this presentation is on specific learning disabilities, which is a neurological disorder. This particular workshop is specific to paraprofessionals working in K through 12 classrooms with students having been identified as having a specific learning disability. So I'm going to stop. Now, I have a choice. I can get rid of it, I can retry, I can preview it, I can save it. I'm just going to save it. And so now I'm here. And then I'm going to click here. So this is who I am. Please read through this, and then we will proceed and do that. And so I'm not going to preview it. I'm going to save it, and this is the agenda. And this is what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to do an individual activity, and then we're going to talk about the brain and how it learns. And then we're going to talk about learning disabilities and the various causes of them. Now, New Hampshire has a specific definition for specific learning disabilities, and the acronym is SLD, Specific Learning Disability. And so understanding this definition will help paraprofessionals understand how to work with students with this disorder. We're going to talk about the types of specific learning disabilities, what they look like, in-class strategies, and then I have resources. So I'm going to save it. Now, you can go through all of this, and I'm not going to do that. So then what I'm going to do is you're going to click End Recording Session, and it's uploading, and then you're brought down here. And you can listen to this. And we're not going to listen to it. But if I were to play this, then you go through here and you listen to it. So what I would recommend is that you pause a little bit after you're done here to allow people to be able to read what is on here. Because chances are you're not going to be reading your PowerPoint, because that's almost an insult to students. So you're going to be sort of reviewing it, and then you're going to be pausing a little bit so that students have an opportunity to do that. You might even, with regards to starting your presentation, explain to them these various the tools down here, and that they can pause it. So this will go through what we just did. Now, these are some of the options you have. Now, you have a free version. You have a free version. And with the free version comes some challenges. And the only challenge really is that once you create this, it's public. And that means that anyone can watch this. So the only thing that really is a problem for that is you want to make sure that within the context of your PowerPoint, you don't have student names, you don't have anyone's names. You want to be always aware of confidentiality as well as FERPA. So you want to be aware of that. And then you have an option to edit your presentation. These are the various things that you can do. You can publish to YouTube. I'm going to cancel it. You can add slides and all these various things. You can download a podcast audio, and you can add a question. Now, the added question is a really cool tool, because at the end of your presentation, you can ask students questions. And the nice thing is when they answer, it's collected in BrainShark, and you can review the responses. And you have a choice of multiple choice or true and false, a poll and a survey. So when you want to use it, you're all done with it. You can embed a link. And here is the link. And you would add that as an external link, or you can add it within the context of a page, or you can embed the code, and you can embed the code in the HTML. You copy and paste it and put it in the HTML, and then you select what side you're looking for, and that's how you do that. So that's how you use BrainShark. If you have any questions, please let me know.